To prevent other users from viewing or editing the workbook, we may set workbook protection. Let's see what options we have to protect the workbook. Click on File and Info and click the little drop-down on Protect Workbook. Here, there are some options. The first one, always open read-only. This function will make the Excel to prompt read-only alert during opening a workbook and prevents users to do amendment on it. We may turn off the read-only restriction by click No during Excel prompt read-only alert. And then, click File, Info, and uncheck the Always Read-Only. Next, encrypt with password on a workbook is to protect the workbook from being accessed by unauthorized users. When we set the workbook to be encrypted with password, Excel will prompt us to input password twice for confirmation purpose, and we need to remember the password to enable us to open the workbook later. When we open the workbook, Excel shall prompt us to enter password. Once we enter the correct password, then Excel will show the content of the workbook and allow editing. We can always unlock or remove the password or edit the password by coming back to encrypt with password. Then, remove or update the password in prompt window, then click OK. Next, Protect Current Sheet is to let us set a password to protect current active worksheet from being edited. We will need to set a password and check which actions that we would like to allow users to do. For example, we allow users to change cells formatting. Upon click OK, Excel will prompt us to re-enter the password for confirmation. By doing this setting, we will be allowed to amend all the worksheets in the workbook besides the protected worksheet. And, within the protected worksheet, we are allowed to select the cells and change the cell format as per which we check to allow users to do during setting protection. To unprotect the worksheet, get back to File, Info, and click on Protect. Then input the password. Then click OK. And the worksheet will be unlocked from protection. Protect Workbook Structure is a feature that we allow users to amend the content of the workbook, but not the structures, like move, rename, delete, add, hide and unhide the worksheets within the workbook. Restrict access is a feature to let us set the authority to whom allowed to edit, or make a copy, or print the workbook. Add a digital signature is to allow user to input certification of the creator or the approval of the workbook. Finally, Mark as Final is a function that allows us to alert users that the workbook is finalized and not encourage further amendment. However, if we insist to do editing, we can click on Edit Anyway, and the final marking alert will be disabled. Then, we may just edit as normal.